Hello, here we are today, our beautiful downtown Jefferson office 770. Got Melvin Taylor here, ready to fix one of these Gravid Traps. What these are is the John Hawk Gravid Traps that we've known and loved. This particular one that Melvin is working on right now is one that was built right here in the office from PVC parts we bought at Home Depot and aluminum box tubing we bought at the appropriate place. So what Melvin's doing now is checking to make sure that whoever said this thing doesn't work really was telling us the truth. A lot of times all you have to do is fiddle with the batteries, make sure they're getting good connection. These things are left outdoors in the rain. The little battery connectors will corrode, sometimes not make good contact, so you have to fiddle with the batteries. But you see, no amount of fiddling is going to work in this case. So definitely it is the motor that is not working. As I say, these things get wet and the little parts inside the motor are kind of delicate, and the least amount of anything ruins those. Well, Melvin's fully prepared with his screwdriver, diagonal and straight pliers, soldering iron all nice and warmed up, solder the appropriate connectors. So Melvin, why don't you use those little jumper wires and make sure it is the battery, the motor, and not the battery. But as I'm sure you think you know, and as I'm sure I think I know, yeah, it is the motor. But just to be 100% sure, let's check it out. Well, what we want to do is hook it to the black and red wires coming off the battery, or the other thing we could do is use the digital meter to make sure that we have appropriate voltage coming off the battery. If you measure from red right there to black right there, oh, don't forget to put it on the appropriate range, 20 volts DC. Perfect. And yeah, let's see if we have the appropriate voltage coming out of our battery bank. Well, yep, there it is, 5.42. We used those batteries a lot yesterday. Melvin fixed a whole boatload of these things. So now we know it is the bad motor. So you can take those off, disconnect that, solder the new motor on there, and I think we'll be good to go. We can always hope, right?
That's what we could do, always hope.
Of course, we present these for recycling. 100 of them give us a penny.
God.
Yeah, I can't wait. I'm gonna have a beer party at the end of the month, 20 years from now. Yeah, so just, yeah, there you go. You know what to do. You're an old pro at this. All I'm doing is sitting here holding the camera, narrating. So where did those mechanical wire strippers go? Okay, there they are. You see, Melvin started out not knowing how to use those things, but quickly gained the knowledge and the skill to do it repeatedly over and over and over. I'm sure he's thinking, no, he doesn't want to sit here in this office and do this 24/7. But every once in a while, everybody has to do their part to contribute to keep our operation going.
Straight out, huh?
Yeah, so remember what we did is we put a little bit of solder
On the wire.
on the wires and on the lugs to the motor. So all we have to do is apply heat and it'll automatically stick. If you try to do it with everything intact, you risk melting the back of that motor. And how do I know that'll happen? Been there, done that maybe? Here. Where's the safety first? One team, one vision, right? Okay, enough. We're gonna catch lung cancer here. Perfect. Flip that over so I can grab the shaft, will you please? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put the red on the red and the black on the no color.
Mm-hmm.
That's the red, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, right there. Look, why don't you cut some of that off?
Yeah.
Because all we want it to do is to touch this lug.
Not that much?
Further. Look, when you use these, the flat side, yeah. Yeah, right there. Click it. Oh, my eye. Teasing. That's the red.
Okay. And you better touch it, right?
Well, just make it melt. Yeah, you can put it on there and wait till it melts. We don't want a cold solder joint. No, put it on there, touch the wire, make sure everything melts. There you go. Good.
There's none on it.
Well, that looks good. You might want to add a bit more solder to the lug, make it like a blob.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't think you got enough solder there. A good sized blob. Get a bunch of it on the end of the iron.
Right here?
Yeah, just all over the end of the iron, the shiny part. Okay, that looks good. Let's try hooking the wire to it now. Nope. I mean, you just did 5 of these things. The camera must be making you nervous. Okay, stop for a second.
Joe,
Yes?
is Brandon here?
Brandon?
Not yet. Not yet.
No.
No?
No.
Okay, so nobody's at the St. Bernard office?
I don't know.
Brandon might be on his way.
Okay.
I'll call him as soon as I finish what I'm doing. I think I got it.
I know you got it. Been doing this for some years.
40.
Probably could do it with your eye closed. Doing it in your sleep, huh? That's Mr. Joe right there. He could do this in his sleep.
In fact, I'm asleep right now. Okay. Let's put that last battery in and see if that motor works.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I saw the torque when it started.
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you pull the battery out and mount that back. And then we can all go have a party as we through.
Okay.
Is that all I brought in?
Probably use it.
That one's too small. Oh, here. How about these?
Mm-hmm.
So what we're doing now is securing the motor back to the motor frame carrier. Again, these are homemade devices. The ones from John Hawk are of course a little bit different, but the operation is pretty much the same no matter which one you choose. Hey Brandon, good morning. Madeline wanted to talk to you.
Oh, okay. Yeah. What's up?
Alright, well, that was it. Let me catch this other line, alright?
Oh, okay.
Alright, bye. This is Joel. Hello, this is Joel.
Hey, Mr. Joel, this is David with Goodyear. Calling to let you know about that tire. The tire has a big gash in it, which is too big to patch.
Yeah.
So I'm waiting on approval for a new tire right now.
Okay.
So that can take a little bit. Just want to let you know, and then we got to get it over here. So right now I'm waiting on approval. So once I get the approval, I'll get the tire over here. Just give me a couple hours. Once the tire and approval gets done, and I should have that ready for you.
Okay, I'll call the manager whose name that's under and have them approve it.
I just got the approval now. I just got to order the tire and get it over here on the morning truck. Should be here around 10 o'clock.
Perfect. Be here all day.
I'll call you when it's ready, okay?
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
So what's happening right now is an alignment issue between that vertical pipe and the fan. And there we go. Works like a champion. Boom. Good job, Melvin. So that's it, Joel and Melvin. We're through. Day's just beginning for us, but already we can count a win in our plus column. So hope you all have a great day as well. Joel out.